Hey guys, my name is Kenny. This is my review on Lumin skincare. I'm going to go through 5 of their products and tell you guys the benefits of each one. And then I'll let you know the pros and cons of each of them. So this is the packaging and what each product looks like. I love the way that all these products look. This skincare is geared towards men, so it's nice that they have it in black. So we're going to start with the Lumin Charcoal Cleanser, and this is their face wash. This is how they describe it. Our daily charcoal face wash made for men's skin provides a deep, satisfying clean for skin that feels healthier. Our skin detoxifying charcoal cleanser removes grime while keeping your skin's pH balanced. This cleanser has 3 main benefits. It balances oily skin and gets rid of dead skin cells. It also unclogs your pores. So these are the pros and cons of using this cleanser. First, it does leave my skin feeling clean. It's probably one of my favorite cleansers to use. I'm not sure if there's any fragrance in this, but it does smell clean. The jar itself is 1.7 ounces, and this can easily last you a few months. The only con I could really find is the jar itself. You might end up contaminating the product when you dip your fingers in there. Next, we have the Exfoliating Rub. Our invigorating exfoliating rub for men helps clear out dirt and impurities to help prevent breakouts and improve overall texture. The main benefits is that it helps fade acne scars and helps repair skin damage. It can also help with shaving irritation. And these are my pros and cons. It definitely does a good job of exfoliating my face. Every time I use this, my skin ends up super soft. I'm not sure if this by itself helped fade some dark marks, but using the system as a whole has definitely helped fade some dark marks I had on my face. As for the smell, this does have some fragrance included. I know some of you care if it has fragrance or not, so I thought I would tell you. The size of this jar is 1 ounce, and that makes it easy to travel with. In fact, all these products are easy to travel with. They're small enough to take with you wherever you go. Again, the only con that I could find is that you have to dip your fingers. So now moving on to the UV Defense Moisturizing Balm. And this is supposed to be their moisturizer mixed with sunscreen. Our mineral-based UV Defense Moisturizing Balm works like premium men's skincare that shields and protects. This lightweight sunblock for men helps repair sun-damaged skin and prevents further wear and tear. The main benefits is that it helps prevent sunburn. It also slows the early signs of aging and hydrates without a greasy feeling. And now to the pros and cons, and I only have one pro for this. The only thing I really liked about this is that it's an SPF of 30. SPF 30 is the minimum you should be using, so I'm glad that they have it in this. Everything else is a con for me. This has a really strong sunscreen smell that I don't like. I want my moisturizer to have sunscreen, but I don't want to have that smell. And just like some other sunscreens, this does leave a white cast all over your face. You can easily see the white cast, and I hate that about it. A moisturizer needs to be subtle and leave your skin looking refreshed. Because of that white cast, I don't even use this anymore. Another con is that they give you less of this than the other moisturizer. That means you will run out of this first. It's also a good and a bad thing that it comes in this type of container. The good thing is you don't have to dip your fingers. You can just press on this for it to come out. But the bad thing is you can't even open it. So you don't know how much you have left or when you'll run out. It is a moisturizer, so all the benefits are there. But I'm not going to be using it again because there's so many things I don't like about it. And now moving on to the Moisturizing Balm. And this doesn't have sunscreen. Built to target dullness and dryness, your face will feel more hydrated and look more refreshed than ever. And it's the same benefits as the other moisturizer. It's supposed to slow down the early signs of aging, and it hydrates without a greasy feeling. This is a much better moisturizer than the one with the sunscreen. This is a really good smelling moisturizer, but it does have fragrance. That could be good or bad based on what you think. The size of the jar is 1.7 ounces, and this does last you a long time. This can easily last me for a few months. To me, this is a very hydrating moisturizer. Any good moisturizer will help with aging, and I think this does the job. This moisturizer along with the cleanser are my two favorite Lumin products. Again, the only con for this moisturizer is that you have to dip your fingers. And the last product is the Eye Puff Deflator. Our Eye Puff Deflator helps bring your skin back to its normal self and even softens up fine lines and crow's feet. So it's supposed to help with puffiness and fine lines, but it also says it helps with dark circles. From my experience, it does help with puffiness, but it doesn't help with dark circles. When you put it on, it does feel cold, and I think that's part of the reason why it helps with puffiness. This is a great little extra thing to have in your skincare routine. It's also the smallest product out of all of them, so it's very easy to travel with. And this also has little to no smell. And that is my review of Lumin Skincare for Men. Similar to Tiege Hanley, I don't think the system as a whole is worth it. Buying these individually is a much better way to go. Down below, you'll find links to each of these products. Again, some of my favorites are the Charcoal Cleanser and the Moisturizing Balm. And my least favorite by far is the UV Defense Moisturizing Balm. Again, my name is Kenny. Like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe for more videos just like this.